What if the most useful mental wellness tool on your phone wasn't actually a wellness app? Claude AI is becoming something a lot of people never expected, a personal thinking partner. And no, Claude is not a therapist. It's not a replacement for professional support. But for everyday stress, mental clutter, planning, and organizing your thoughts, it can be surprisingly helpful. Here are 4 ways people are using Claude AI. Number 1. Guided journaling. Everyone says journaling helps, but then you open a blank page and your brain immediately says, "Now what?" Claude fixes that. Tell Claude what you're feeling and ask it to create a few questions to help you start. Try this prompt. I've been feeling anxious lately, but I can't figure out why. Give me 3 journal prompts to help me organize my thoughts. Now you're not staring at a blank page. You have somewhere to begin. Number 2. Looking at worries differently. Everyone gets stuck in thought loops. What if this goes wrong? What if I fail? What if I can't handle this? Instead of replaying the same worry over and over, try asking Claude, I keep worrying about this situation. Help me look at it from 3 different perspectives. Claude can help you slow down, organize the thought, and separate what you know from what you're assuming. Sometimes seeing a problem differently changes how you approach it. Number 3. Building a realistic stress routine. Most advice sounds simple. Wake up early, meditate, exercise, journal. But real life doesn't always work like that. Tell Claude your actual schedule, your work hours, your stress points, how much time you really have. Then ask, I work 9 to 5. Sunday nights stress me out, and I only have 15 minutes in the morning. Help me create a simple routine. Claude can help you design something realistic instead of something perfect that you'll never follow. Number 4. Preparing for important conversations. This includes therapy sessions, coaching sessions, doctor visits, or even difficult conversations with someone in your life. Tell Claude what's been happening and ask it, help me organize what I want to talk about. Claude can help you find the main points, so you walk in prepared. Not trying to remember everything on the spot, and that's the real value. Claude AI isn't replacing people. It's helping people organize their own thoughts. It's not a therapist. It's not a crisis resource. And if you're struggling seriously, reach out to a qualified professional. But for the everyday mental noise most of us carry, Claude might be one of the most useful thinking tools you're not using yet. Subscribe and follow Claude AI Unlocked for more practical ways to use AI in everyday life.